This example says, if f of x equals 3x plus 1 over x minus 2, find f inverse of x. Okay, well here are the steps, but this one's going to require a little bit of finesse. So let's see, steps for finding f inverse of x. Okay, step 1, replace f of x with y. Alright, we can do that. We have y equals 3x plus 1 over x minus 2. So far so good. Step 2, interchange x and y. Okay, x equals 3y plus 1 over y minus 2. Here's the hard part with this kind of example. Solve the equation for y. Okay, we multiply up by y minus 2 here. We're technically multiplying both sides by that. What that gives us is x times y minus 2 equals 3y plus 1. Okay, and this is where people make mistakes. There's one crucial step right here. Here it is. We have to distribute this x through. Right, it's very easy to miss that step, and it's not entirely intuitive that that's what we need to do here. But all these problems of this form work the same way. You need to distribute that x right at that crucial step. That gives us xy minus 2x equals 3y plus 1. The next crucial thing you have to do here is get everything with a y in it on one side and everything else on the other. So I'm going to get every term that includes a y on the left side of the equal sign, everything else on the right. Okay, so let's see here. We have to subtract 3y from both sides to do that. And then I want to get rid of this negative 2x, so I'm going to add this 2x to both sides over here. Okay, so cleaning that up gives xy minus 3y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, we're still solving for y here. The next crucial step, factor out a y. We have a y and a y on the left here, so we're going to bring these out to the front. Now factor that out. So that gives us y times quantity x minus 3 equals 2x plus 1. And finally, we isolate y by dividing both sides by x minus 3. X minus 3, x minus 3, and that'll do it. All right, that gives us y equals 2x plus 1 over x minus 3. Finally, we write that as the inverse function. So f inverse of x is simply 2x plus 1 over x minus 3. So there's a lot of variations on this same kind of problem that we started with here, this kind of problem. But if you take the same approach of distributing the x through and then getting everything with a y on it on one side and then factoring that y back out, it'll lead you to the correct answer with these types of problems.